ZANU-PF leader President Emerson Mnangagwa on Sunday summoned senior party officials to his private Precabe farm in Kuye, in what insiders described as a calculated move to gauge loyalty amid growing internal unease within ruling party. Sanapita mashoko kunzi mtukamiri wenyika panguva inoi he summoned my top ruling party officials aiwa to his own farm. Chitiko chinoka kunzi some of the people are controversial vakaita sana generally vasinganoattend zvinozoratidza kuti aiwa bato reZANU-PF really in a deep time. Go subscribe or like on the bell kuti mnamchenzi. ZANU-PF officially labeled the gathering as a tour of their property. Multiple party sources say the event was more politically charged than the party led on. According to those familiar with the inner workings of ZANU-PF, Mnangagwa used the occasion to assess the allegiance of Central Committee, the Politburo members, amid persistent reports of factionalism and behind-the-scenes jostling for succession. However, party insiders paint a different picture. This wasn't just a troll. Mnangagwa is jittery, and this was about reinforcing his grip on power, said a senior party source who spoke on condition of anonymity. He wanted to look them all in the eye and see who is still with them. Mnangagwa, who rose to power in 2017 through a military-assisted transition, has faced increasing pressure both from within the party and the broader citizenry. With the economy in crisis, public discontent growing, and the succession talk heated up, political analysts say the president's recent actions suggest a leader keenly aware of shifting dynamics. Though no official statement was issued about the internal discussions held during the tour, party sources indicated that Mnangagwa reiterated the importance of unity and discipline and warned against ambition and undermines the revolution. The event comes at a time when Mnangagwa's future leadership is increasingly under spotlight, with speculation growing over whether he will seek to extend his rule beyond current constitutional limits. For now, the Precabe farm tour may have provided a temporary show of strength, but whether it successfully calms the currents within ZANU-PF remains to be seen. Tomashwa muda panguva inoonekwa kunzi aiwa vakomana vakashedza vadanyatsopona kuti vachiri vedu vachiri kusati kwedu ndi vanani. Tudze mafunguro echimoti kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Kuda kuma section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.